Alright, got the dog back. Alright. I'm surprised she actually listened quite well. Alright. 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 Yeah, it's like 45 degrees right now. I think it's way too warm for a steam show. Kona. I remember when I actually used to be able to fit on that thing. That tire's from my uncle's 85 Mazda GLC. Kona. Okay, good dog. She's taking care of business. And there is the heat pump. Alright, she's taking care of business. She's done. Alright. I'm just surprised by how much smaller it is than the train. And that is a 5-ton unit right there, 60,000 BTU. I don't know if that makes it better or worse. I think what they're going for is trying to fit... they're trying to get a larger unit to take up a smaller footprint. But I mean, it's definitely wider than my, than the 2-ton straight cool units I have at home. That sounds like thunder. That might just be the metro train, though. Hear that in the background? But yeah, it seriously doesn't seem much bigger than my, I mean, obviously it is bigger, but it doesn't seem that much bigger than the 2-ton units. It's definitely not that tall. And, what are you doing, Kona? You're just sitting on the floor there. Or on the ground there. They put this one up on feet. The train did not have risers. And I still have that one video I got of the train defrosting back in 2012 when you were still a puppy. Alright, so yeah, this is the new carrier. Line set. It was manufactured in October 2014. Installed just in early December, so it's pretty much a brand new unit. Kona, what the hell are you doing? I think she found one of her old tennis balls. But what I still don't get is why this house was built with only one zone. because this house is well over 3,000 square feet if you don't include the finished basement. But yeah, it's a nice little unit. Would work a hell of a lot better if there were 2 of them, but it's a nice little unit. At least it isn't a Nordheim. Carrier Comfort Series 13 SEER heat pump. 5 tons. I just can't get the camera to focus in between. Alright, there we go. Alright, gonna try and get some more videos of this unit running later. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.